The following interview Batsani Bumkosi sent Mzansi on a shock wave. Hi YouTube family, welcome to all trending Mzansi. Tandegile Mjezana, a 30-year-old mother from Matatiele, went to the following podcast to seek justice for her 7-year-old daughter who was brutally sexually assaulted October last year. Tandegile details the events exactly how she remembers them. She states that it was the 15th of October late night when the husband complained that their daughter could not walk, and during the day the husband had taken their 1-year-old child son to a GP because he was not feeling well. She then decided to check the daughter exactly on what was making her unable to walk. To her surprise and shock, Batandi Bomkosi, she found out that the daughter had an opening on her buttocks. But then the thought of her daughter being sexually assaulted never crossed her mind. They gave her pills, Batandi Bomkosi, to numb the pain and decided that perhaps it was a bad diarrhea that the daughter was having. But the daughter continued crying, Batani Bomkosi, stating that she is in severe pains. Batani Bomkosi. The mother decided on the 16th of October 2024 to take their child to see a doctor so that they can get to the end of these pains that their child was facing. Once they got there, the doctor checked uCwecwe, and to his surprise, he realized that baby girl was penetrated by Bomkosi in both directions, from her buttocks and also her vagina. The mother stormed out of the room screaming and crying because she was shocked on how exactly did her 7-year-old child raped. Hence, her life revolved around her parents. She called the husband and explained everything to him. Later that night, Batandi Bomkosi, they questioned uCwecwe, trying to find out ukuthi what exactly happened. When did this thing happen? Cwecwe detailed that the day when Amalume arrived late to pick them up from school, which was on the 14th of October 2024. She remembers waiting outside for Umalume to come, and the caretaker came and told them to go and sweep the classrooms. While she was there, she swept the classroom and started to feel tired, and then she also smelled a burning tire, and she remembers nothing afterwards. What she remembers is being woken up by the caretaker and being told to go, hence the transport has arrived. Hence that day she arrived late. But the parents started to think that that was the only time uCwecwe arrived home late, and the trousers that she was wearing on that day when they went to check on them, they alleged that they had a blood stain on them. They then went to the school and reported the issue, hoping that the principal will take this issue seriously. But the principal was more like defending himself, or rather allegedly the school, than caring on what occurred on the school ground, alleged by the mother. But Bomkosi, they tried all their best to get justice for their daughter, but no help was received. The mother details that the daughter was badly hurt and damaged by Bomkosi to the point whereby she could not hold anything from her behind. Whatever that whenever Cwecwe wanted to go to the toilet, she had to be rushed or she will release everything while walking to the toilet. This is indeed a painful Batari Bomkosi, a whole 7-year-old. But the parents further states that when Cwecwe was supposed to go back to school, they had to go out there, sit on the car, so that Cwecwe can always come now and then and wave at her parents because she was still in the shock of what occurred to her. Remember, her herself does not even remember what happened to her on that day. It is stated by the parents allegedly that the caretaker and the umalume for the transport driver, they volunteered to give out their DNA samples to the police. But when it was supposed for the principal to do the same thing, it is alleged that the principal refused, which made the parents more angry that their case was not taken seriously. And the principal stated that he wants nothing of the name of his school to be involved in all of this situation. Hence, Umama Kacwecwe decided to take it to social media to seek justice for her daughter. As her herself, she was a victim of rape and she never received justice, and she vowed that she would even sweat blood if needs be for her to receive justice for her 7-year-old daughter. She further states that she is a police officer, but during these times, she decided not to behave like a police, but to be a mother to her child. You, Batsani Bomkosi, this is indeed painful. Cwecwe could not finish up her exams 2024, Batsani Bomkosi, because of the trauma that she went through. Mama Kacwecwe thought that the school would come to her rescue, but no. Instead, they decided to send her a letter of removing Icwecwe from the school, which to her became even more of an injustice to her traumatized child, who was well behaved and doing good on her grades, but now she had to fail because of the situation that she was under and how the school decided to take the matters. But Bomkosi, Mzansi responded very quickly. Petition is currently going on. People are signing it demanding that the school must be deregistered and that the principal must be attended to. Celebrities like Usomizi, Dominic, and many other South Africans out there, they have taken it to the street, marching, screaming justice for Ucwecwe. They are stating that they will never rest until justice has been served to the 7-year-old. That's it for today, but please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching.